Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So what I want to show you guys today is something that probably a lot of you guys already know about because I've been mentioning it in a lot of the night classes. But if you don't know about this, this is a great way to pick your levels. This is a new feature that they added quite a while ago. But in our past, what we've had to do to pick our upper level and our lower level, or a lot of our distances in here, is actually click on the button and then we can pick on it. So if we do the profile depth, we'd have to click on it, rotate our part, and we can click and get our number in there. Well, they've changed this so you guys can you don't have to actually physically click that button itself, so which makes things quite fast. So if you guys want to do an upper level, just highlight the number or just have the cursor in the field right there, and then you can click and it will get everything automatically put in there for you, keeping the associativity there as well. So you can see both are green, and on your guys it may show yellow, may show red, may show different colors. And that since there's color in that field, it means it's physically linked itself to the SolidWorks model, meaning that if the model was changed, these numbers would update along with it. So there is no need to actually click the profile depth button anymore. If you guys need to get space, then you definitely can. But if you guys are able to see your part over on the right portion of it, just like I said, leave your cursor in the field and just click anywhere that that you want, and it will the number will automatically update for you guys. So just wanted to show you guys that quick tip of the day for you guys, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow with the tip of the day. Thanks guys, have a great evening.